Hey everyone, it is Mike Less bringing you another winter wheat harvest video from the 2019 season here. And I am in Darke County, Ohio, out in the field with Tim and Kim Anderson and their 12-year-old daughter who is running the combine here. The field here is located between Greenville and Arcanum, Ohio. Got the Gleaner R62 combine here cutting the wheat, and coming up is a John Deere 8440 tractor with a custom paint job. And later on in the video, you also see their John Deere 4240 tractor with a custom paint job. Both these tractors hauling wagons, and then back at the grain bin is an International or Farmhand 460 on the grain auger. This was filmed on the afternoon and then later in the evening on Sunday, June 30th, so the last day of June here. This wheat was testing 18% moisture. I don't have any yield data for you, but anyways, they're going to bale the straw here when they're done combining, and then they're going to double crop some no-till soybeans into the wheat stubble. But first things first, I put a couple pictures of this tractor and so forth on my Instagram, and people were asking about the custom paint job. So the story behind it with the black hood is the farm owner here said the reason he painted these with the hood black is he wants everybody to know when they see these going up and down the road or in the field, they know who they belong to. So anyways, kind of a neat color scheme. Comment below and let everybody know your thoughts, what you think of it. Personally, I think it looks pretty good. And just a couple quick specs on the Gleaner R62 combine. These were built in Independence, Missouri between 1992 and 1996. And you could get a choice of engines in these. You could either get the Deutz V8, which this one here has, which is a great sounding engine when it's going across the field. And you could also get these with a Cummins engine, both at 260 horsepower. And these combines had a 300 bushel grain tank on them. And the John Deere 8440 four-wheel drive articulated tractor was built in Waterloo, Iowa between 1979 to 1982. These were powered with a Deere 7.6 liter or 466 cubic inch six-cylinder diesel engine. And these were putting out about 215 engine horsepower or 175 on the PTO. These tractors weighed in a little over 26,000 pounds. In 1982, the 8440 John Deere tractor sold for around $64,000 depending how it was equipped. In the background there, you can see the farm's John Deere 4240 tractor. Those were also built in Waterloo, Iowa between 1978 to 1982, and they were around 110 horsepower. They weighed in around 10 to 14,000 pounds, and you did have various transmission options with a quad range, a power shift, a synchro. You could also get a creeper in those, and in 1982, that tractor would have sold for around $40,000. Wheat is just getting started here in the area, so I hope to bring you some more wheat harvest videos from the area this coming week, so stay tuned for those. And I'm going to quit talking now, and we're going to turn this video over to the sound of this big V8 Deutz engine in the back of this Gleaner combine.